You stand in the rain, waiting for warmth, but your constant availability has made you cold, predictable, and ultimately invisible. Invisibility is not a superpower, it is a curse. You send texts into the void, and the void sends nothing back. This silence is not accidental. It is a biological signal that your value in the dominance hierarchy has dropped to zero. We must ignite the zero. We must burn the nice guy. Welcome to the dark psychology of the art of absence. Absence is not just physical distance, it starts in the mind. You sit in the dark, addicted to the smoke of validation. You seek validation because you have rejected your own shadow. You are half a man, begging others to make you whole. But a half man is a ghost. You walk through the crowd, and they walk through you because you offer no resistance. You lack the resistance of a strong identity. The mirror shows a blur because you have molded yourself to fit everyone else. You prepared a feast for them, but they are not hungry. Supply and demand is the only law that truly matters. And what matters most is your time. You let the clock spin wildly, giving away your most finite resource for free. But free things have no value. The gifts you offer turn to dust because they were never earned, only freely surrendered. You surrendered your dignity to a digital screen. Every double text is a crack in the foundation of your self-respect. This silence you feel is the vertigo of irrelevance. You stand on the edge, small and forgotten by the massive, indifferent city. To conquer the city, you must first leave it. You must descend into the underground tunnels of your own subconscious mind. You must lock the door on the world. This is not running away. This is the strategic incubation of power. True power is locked inside a rusted cage. You were taught to protect your heart, but you actually imprisoned it. The prison is mental. Your brain is wired with outdated software that tells you compliance is the only way to survive. Compliance makes you a puppet. You dance when they pull the strings, hoping that if you dance well, they will love you. They will not. You must cut the strings, sever the attachment to their approval, and watch how the dynamic instantly shifts. The shift will feel like falling. This is the void. Most men panic here, but you must embrace the terrifying descent. Down in the depths, the noise of the surface disappears. Here, in the cold pressure of isolation, you find clarity. Clarity reveals your true nature. You are not a harmless sheep. You are a wolf that has forgotten how to hunt. Hunting is in your DNA. We are burning away the rust of domestication to reveal the primal code of the masculine. This code is strategic. Life is a chessboard, and you have been playing like a pawn. It is time to become the king. A king does not chase. When you chase the pieces, they slide away. Pursuit signals a lack of options and low value. High value is stationary. When you stop moving, the physics of the game reverse. The pieces begin to slide towards you. They approach because they are being watched. The great eye of judgment opens. You are no longer the observed. You are the observer. The fire burns away the gray, needy skin. What remains underneath is solid gold, rare, heavy, and impossible to ignore. You can no longer be contained. The cage shatters because it cannot hold a man who has realized his own worth. With this new worth, you walk towards the exit. You are leaving the dark tunnel of the past forever.
You step into the light, not as a beggar, but as a prize. The sun shines on you because you demand it. You stand tall, separate from the background noise. You are no longer part of the scenery. You are the main event. The crowd parts not because you ask, but because you project absence of need. Indifference is the ultimate form of power. You need only yourself. You sit on the throne of your own life, comfortable in the silence that used to scare you. The phone rings. The validation you chased finally arrives, but you smile and flip it over. You have already won. You have won the war against your weaker self. The city is yours because you are no longer afraid to lose it. And that is the art of absence. You finally became the man that no one dares to ignore. Subscribe